Hey, Scott with Scott Off-Road. How you doing today? Well, I broke down and bit the bullet, no pun intended, and bought a high-end phone mount for the Jeep. Had one I liked for the TJ, it just wasn't going to work for me in the JK. Couldn't find one locally that I liked, kept seeing the ads for this, and decided this is the way I was going to go. Let's see how well it is. Packaging's quite nice. Carbon fiber arm, 2 ends on it. Heavy plastic mount with 2, looks like aluminum, maybe plastic balls on it. I got the one with the GoPro mount. And this one is magnetic. I've had good luck in the past with the magnet mounts. What I haven't had good luck with is the clamp mounts. They just never seem to work with my phone. And how cool is that? Looks like a whistle. And I think that is a wrench to install. Cool. Let's head out to the Jeep, put it in. Alright, first thing we're going to do, take out the tray, wipe out underneath the tray, take a 7mm, and then I want to test fit. Yep, I'm going to like that. The one concern I had with different mounts was covering up this plate, and these are really hard to find, so I wanted to kind of show it off. So the directions are simple. Take out that 7mm, pull out the double stick tape on the bottom and the back. Put the screw back in. Snug it up. That's the install part of that. Loosen your arms up. Pop them on and pretty much mount it where you want it at. Snug it up tight. Now again, the other one I got came with a GoPro mount. I'm not sure that I'll continue to use it or if I'll get a separate arm for the wife's phone or maybe a tablet. Alright, let's put the ball in. Whoop. Too much. Now what I don't know about is the magnetic plate. They give you 2 of them, which is nice. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my phone case off. And I'm just going to set it there for right now. I want to see I'm impressed. I like that. And that's with it just sitting underneath the phone case. So I get to use my same phone case. So let's clean off the back of the phone case. We'll put the bulletproof mount on the back of the phone center. Put the phone case back on. And coolness. Now just to adjust it. All right, let's see how well this works. Well, like I mentioned in the subtitle, putting the magnet on the way I did works. That's pretty much what you're going to have to do if you have a soft or floppy phone cover. Mine is a rigid phone cover and it didn't hold the phone spectacularly well. If I hit bumps even on these roads here, the phone would fall off. So what I ended up doing is taking the mount back off the phone and putting it on the actual hard plastic case. Since doing that, I have not had an issue with the phone falling off. It has been a great product. Thank you very much. I'm not sponsored by them, so that's just my 2 cents. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. You have yourself a blessed day. Remember, you fix the Jeep fixes you.